recording now.
Oh, yeah. Look how tiny the baby looks.
Ew, look how big my dome is.
What?
Oh, word. Word. Is that like 50,000 of me?
Oh, there it is.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Hey, look, you're a cube. Looks like a set of boobs. It's almost like your whole body disappears.
Wait! What happened? What effect is that?
I don't know. Oh, there it is. There's your body. This one's still my favorite.
Why is it your favorite?
I don't know, because, like...
I'm in love with the cocoa.
This is gonna go on YouTube, by the way. This video.
Okay.
That you just featured in. It's going on YouTube. It looks like I have like a massive like chin thing going on here. Like, you have to come over here because like it'll like.
I kind of can't see. The screen's black.
Like, okay, you know what? Ugh. I'll work out. Like, look at. Wait, how did I have it? Like, oh, there it is. Like, I don't know, just okay. Oh, I got all these guys. Look at my mouth.
I still can see. Back up.
Ugh.
Wait, go back to you. You know what that reminds me of? You ever see those videos on Facebook of that Gertrude person or whatever? With the really big eyes?
No.
Oh my god, I gotta find one.
Oh, hey guys. I have a little small head and a big body. Oh hey, so does she. Oh look, we can like kind of morph our heads together. Oh my god. The center of attention. Just kidding. What? Oh. No. No. Oh, there we go. I don't know why that's so funny. Hey.
I'm so glad I'm not attractive.
Oh, I know, me too. Oh, what just happened? What just happened? Our faces got squished. Weren't they just fat like 2 seconds ago? Did we just use this one? What do I feel like we just did? Because didn't you make that face? We just did, didn't we? We totally just did. Our body does a wave. Shake it. Shake it like a red nose. And this one does even more of a wave. Oh!
It looks like we're doing the worm.
But like actually not doing the worm. The worm's doing us. Which one? I don't know why I find these so funny. I'm gonna make it bubble. Bubble away, bubble away, bubble away. You don't know who we are. Oh, there could be 4 of each of us. Oh, it's that time of year again. Oh, la, 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 la. Did I already go through all these? I feel like I did. I did. How do I don't want it to be anything more. How do I? Oh, there we go. Alright, it's back to normal. Oh, wait, it's not normal. Hang on. How do I get back to normal? I don't know. We're done. Goodbye.